Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a prototype pollution lab in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is detecting server-side prototype pollution without polluted property reflection. So Node and JS. Saw the lab confirmed by polluting in a way that triggers a noticeable non-destructive change. So in the last one, it reflected automatically the changes. This one, we're not going to be able to reflect the changes directly, but we should be able to tell indirectly if we modified the prototype object type. You don't need to progress to exploitation. We have our own account. Okay, sweet. Let's check it out. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Appreciate that. And hey, Finny, sorry. It's funny. Nobody was watching before when I didn't make mistakes. Of course. Anyway, let's jump into it. So we need to find something, some kind of gadget. How you doing today? It's probably the same one. And I'm going to have to look up how they do that. Doing good. Yeah, I'm doing good. It's not going too bad today. So I'm going to send this to repeater. Here's our object. And it looks like we need to all we need to do is somehow tell if we change something. So, hey, Sabur, thanks for showing up. Appreciate that. We're doing this lab, this prototype pollution lab, and we have to exploit it in a way. So I'm going to look up client side, server side, this one. Right on. Yeah, I'm almost done. Look, only a few more. What, 4 more? Woo. Although I didn't stream them all, but I did record them all. Pollution, yeah, yep, we've got this. So what we need is, there's 3 ways I remember, if I remember right. Yeah, status code, JSON, or charset. So let's try trying to cause an error. Let's try that one first. So we may be able to do that by submitting JSON that's incomplete. Maybe delete that. See if we get an error. We do get an error. And you can see that the error response is a JSON object. So now we can try to pollute the the prototype object and see if we can change the status code. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to add a comma, boom, boom, proto, and then do another object with status code. That's what it was, right? I don't want to click back. I can do proxy, history. Why doesn't it show? Filter by status code. All of those. Oh, it doesn't show that. I need logger. Not that one. This one. Status with a capital C. Either status code or status. We'll try one and then the other. So let's do status code first. And we'll set that to something that's not going to... let's do it to 455. Is logger built in? That one may be an extension. Honestly, I don't remember. It's built in, says Affinity. So just to give you some context, this is a brand new box that I just built. In fact, this is the first time I am. Oh, I forgot to. First time I'm streaming using this one. Hey, look at that. That's freaking awesome. Let's kill this real quick. Will we? We should still get a 455. And we do. That's awesome. So we did pollute the object prototype. What I was saying is that this is a brand new box. And what I forgot to do is install my extensions. What I normally use is the Flow extension. In fact, we can install it now. That's the one I like. Where is Flow? There it is. And this does the same thing, but tools like repeater, intruder, those requests don't show up in HTTP history, but they will in either Logger, Flow. There's also Logger++. I believe that's the one I was thinking of when I didn't know. Yeah, Logger++. A lot of people like that one. I like Flow. All right, so now we need to exploit this. Or did we already solve it just by... Well, what was the... Confirm triggers a noticeable... You don't need... So did we already solve it? Is that what it's saying? Hey, we did. Sweet. So all we need to do now is I write scripts for every single one. So I just need to write that, but it'll be super quick. Python utils, create script. For that, I'm going to take the output here and paste it. And then Vim detecting. We'll go here, proxy repeater, and we're going to do this one. No, we're going to do this one. We probably only need this. So I'm going to take that out, copy, and I'm going to save this as data. Data equals that. And then I'm going to use the stuff I did in the last one, which was privileged this. I'm going to log in, grab the cookies, define the session ID, set the URL right there. I'm going to change this one to be session ID. And then we're going to post it. And that's it. We just have to post it. And, we may have to get, I don't know if this will solve it on its own. We may have to get like post regular data just to make sure we get a 455 status code in response. Let's do that. That will be super easy. So we can do shop.post data URL. URL is updated. JSON equals. Here we'll just do session ID. Session ID, because I do think session ID is required. Dang it, I'm still trying to get used to. I configured a different button to tab complete. Why is that red? Undefined. Oh. ID. I think that's the only thing we need. And then that should check that's solved. Very cool. All right. So I'm going to end the YouTube video here. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Goodbye.